Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I use Doodly. Okay, as you can see, I already started. This is my text. I can edit it. This is my image, the airport. You can get it here. Prop. Okay, so I'm going to start. So I just want to do a preview. This is what I'm doing.
Aéroport.
Go back.
Port. Soudan. 67 aéroports.
So it's going to be the same. The only thing I'm going to change here is the country name and the total. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to duplicate this section. So after I done duplicating the chain, I just want to move a little bit. I just want to add my audio. I'm going to add first the country. Double click. Gonna be Morocco. It is 17. I'm gonna click done. It's gonna be 62 airport. Click done. I'm going to add my audio. So you click where it says sound here, and you click on this plus, browse files. I'm gonna select Maroc. I can select the two files and click open. Click continue. Now I'm gonna add Maroc here. I just want to move it a little bit. I just want it to synchronize with Maroc. So I just want to move it a little bit like this. That is perfect. Just want to play and see.
Maroc.
Okay, just want to move a little bit like this. I'm going to add 62 airport. Go back a little bit like this. It is too much. Yeah. Now let's try to play back. I just want to move from my preview here. You can hide this small window. I just want to do like this. Now let's play.
62 aéroports.
Okay, still not okay. I just want to go back. Play.
Zambie. 88 aéroports. Égypte. 84 aéroports. Madagascar. 83 aéroports. Botswana. 74 aéroports. Soudan. 67 aéroports. Maroc. 62 aéroports.
Okay, so next country, we are going for Chad. I'm gonna duplicate the scene, right click on the mouse, click duplicate. I'm gonna click on the scene I want to edit. Just wanna move mistake little bit. Okay, I think here, go back. Just look here, you will see where I want to put it. It's going to start right in Maroc. Okay, I want to start here. Okay, so now I'm going to put another country. It's gonna be Chad. I'm gonna paste 18, gonna be Chad. I'm gonna click done. I'm gonna say 59 airport. There is 59 airports in Chad. Okay, so now I'm going to add my audio. Browse. Look for Chad. Control A on my keyboard to select the two files. Click open. Click continue. Now I'm gonna select Chad, paste it here. Let me go back. Yeah, maybe here. 59 airport. Let's play and see.
Chad.
Okay, let's go back. 59. Okay, I'm gonna move my audio. Move back. Oops, too much. Okay, now let's try. Play.
Chad. 59 aéroports.
Okay. Next scene, it's gonna be Ethiopia. I'm going to duplicate my scene like this. So when you duplicate, it doesn't take the audio. So I'm gonna move. I'm gonna click here. So now it's going to be Ethiopia. Double click. Paste Ethiopia. It's gonna be 19. And then 57 airport. Click done. I'm gonna export my audio for Ethiopia. Control A on my keyboard to select the two files and click open. Click continue. Those are the files. I'm gonna move first Ethiopia here. Play Ethiopia. Too much, move back. Here. 57 airport, like this. Just gonna move. I think here. Let's play and see.
5.
Okay, go back.
Chad. 59 aéroports. Éthiopie. 57 aéroports.
Okay, next will be Nigeria. So I'm gonna duplicate my scene. You just right click on the mouse. Nigeria. I'm gonna double click on the text. I'm gonna add Nigeria. It's gonna be 20 and click done. 54 airport. I click done. Just wanna move a little bit like this. I think from here I can add audio for Nigeria. Control A from my keyboard, open, continue. I'm gonna add Nigeria. It's too much. Let me play and see.
Nigeria.
Okay, go back. I'm gonna add audio for 54 airports. I'm gonna move it back. Too much. Now let's play. Let's go back a little bit and see. Okay.
Éthiopie. 57 aéroports. Nigeria. 54 aéroports.
Okay. So I'm done. When you're done, you just click. You can just double check before exporting it, but when you're done, you just click export. Okay. So you can select the 5 formats. MP4 is always the best, and the resolution is up to you, and then you click continue. It's gonna export it. Okay, I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe. Ciao.